Oh.
All right, let's turn the page. All right, let's answer number 4 together. Let me just mute everybody. Okay, so it says, which of these are ways to show the number 11? Choose all that apply, meaning that we have more than one right answer. There might be more, maybe 2 or 3, or maybe even 4 right answers, but let's do it together and see. So which of these show the number 11? Can someone help Miss Nelson? Camilo?
1, 10, and 1, 1.
So which one is that? The first, second, or third, or fourth one?
Third one.
Is there any other right answers? Let's see. Kendrick?
For which one? 4 or 5?
For number 4.
Okay.
Can we
so
show the number 11 in any other way?
This one.
the second
Is it the
one.
first or second one?
Second.
Second, because what does it say?
Number 11.
It says the number 11, right? They wrote out the number 11. Exactly.
Oh, raise your
Thank
hand.
you, Kendrick. Do you have a question?
Yeah, he want to show you this.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, America's Frontline Fighters. Oh, so great. Are you gonna, oh, I love it, Kendrick. Are you gonna hang it on your door, or where are you gonna put it?
On my door.
So that people outside can see?
Yes.
Oh, that's one thing I'm excited for, is for all you guys to hang out your stuff. I don't think that I only know one student that lives near me, but I wish I lived close to you guys so I could go see all your signs. That's so fun. Thank you, Kendrick, for showing me.
No,
You did a
thank
great job.
For being so patient and kind
Oh,
and sweet.
I love teaching you guys. It's been the funnest things I've done here in Miami so far.
Yeah, you are amazing, let me tell you.
Oh, well, thank you.
Really amazing.
I appreciate you saying that. Thank you.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Well, you're going to make me emotional, so let's go on to number 5, because Miss Nelson's getting sad about leaving you guys. All right, let's do number 5 together. Count by tens. Write the number. So these groups of cubes here is showing a number. What number is it showing us? First, let's figure out how many groups of 10 that we have here. Leonardo? How many tens?
5 tens.
5 tens is perfect. And how many ones?
0.
0 is correct. So what number is this?
50.
It is. It's the number 50. Perfect. Good job, Leonardo. And I like that you guys are writing your answers in the chat. Perfect. You guys are participating. Christopher, do you want to do number 6 for me?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. So it says to draw a model to show the number 49. So do you want to do lines, or do you want to do groups of tens, or how do you want to do this?
You already did lines, so 4 lines and 9 circles make 49.
Okay, you are ahead of the game. Perfect. So let's do 4 lines. Whoa, you can't see that color, can we? Let's try a different color. Purple. All right, so how many lines am I going to draw?
4.
4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. What number is being shown here with four tens?
40.
40. So what do I need to do now?
9 circles.
9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Thank you, Christopher. All right. Let's look at we weren't going to do number 7. That's right. So you might, I don't know if you guys even had this on your paper. I think that the AM class said that they didn't. So if you didn't, that's okay. All right, so that was the homework that we had last night? Any questions about last night's homework? Justino?
We were confused and we did it.
Did you do it? You did it, or you're confused if you did?
I'm confused.
Did you have that paper in front of you yesterday?
I don't remember.
Maybe go look through your papers and see if you did. After class? But that's why I wanted to go over it today in class, because when you take your math test today, then it will be fresh in your mind. So we're gonna go over another lesson before we end today. All right, let's see. Kendrick, did you have a question about the math?
Not about math. We are having problem for the assignments. I couldn't find the change in the community and what live on Earth. We couldn't find it. I tried my best to look for it and we couldn't.
Yeah, okay, no problem. So after, like when we do questions and answers, I'll make sure I share after
Okay.
we do this, and then I can show you step by step on how to find it.
Okay, because I did the link, but when we trying to log in, it for some reason is not letting me.
Okay, yeah, I can help you and I can show you step by step before we're done
Okay,
today.
yeah, please, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I have everyone's username and password, so I can help you. I can show you what he would put in for that. So.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, no problem. All right, okay, let's go on to, class is not done yet. Sorry, we're gonna go over one more thing for math and then it will be done if you guys don't have any questions. Sorry. All right, so let's do this really quick. We have a lesson that we need to go over and then we can answer any questions. All right, so we're gonna go over a couple things and then you guys, when you're done, you can take your test and you can be ready to go, okay? Set A, it says you can group objects by 10 to count. So this is showing you, let me get my pen so you know what I'm reading. You can group objects by 10 to count. So right here, they circled the first group of 10, the second group of 10, and the third. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. So this is showing us the number 34. And it says 34 is 3 groups of 10 and 4 ones left over. So using this as a model, let's answer number 1 and 2 together. Can someone help Miss Nelson with number 1 on what I would do? Matthew? So let's circle our groups of 10. Do I have enough to make a group of 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're right, I do. So let's circle this first group. Do I have enough to make another group of 10? You're right, I do. Do I have enough to make another group of 10? No, so we're gonna stop with our groups of 10. How many groups of 10 do I have?
20.
So 20, but how many groups are there?
2.
2 is right. So there's 2 groups of 10. How many are left over?
5.
5. So what number is this showing us?
25.
25. Exactly. Perfect. Okay, number 2. Can someone help me with number 2? Is that Angel? Okay, do I have enough to make a group of 10?
Yes.
Okay, so you're right, I do. Do I have enough to make another group of 10?
No.
No, so how many groups of 10 do I have?
23.
I have 1, and how many do I have left over? You said 3?
No, I say 2.
Well, we only have 1 group of 10, so this is 10.
Oh, a 3.
Yeah, we have 3 ones left over, so what number is this?
23. That's easy.
So if we have 10 and then we count 3 more, we have 10, 11, 12,
Wait, is that-
13. So I can see why you're getting confused, because in the previous lesson when they had a block, it was a group of 10, but one way to know that this is different is look at the blocks. They're not touching each other. They're not connected. And there's only 5.
Oh, because I put them was like 2 blocks.
Yeah, and I totally see how you would have thought that, because you, in the previous problem, one group of blocks was 10. But this one, it has 5 blocks here, 5 cubes, I mean. So 5, 10, and they're not connected. So you know that they're not a group of 10. So that's one way to help you remember. So we have one group of 10, and then 3 left over is the number 13. Okay, let's look at set B. You can show a 2-digit number as tens and ones. This one right here is showing that we have 4 tens right here, 3 ones. So 4 tens and 3 ones is the number 43. So using this as our model, how would I answer number 3? Yulia, do you have your hand raised? No? How many tens do I have? Christopher?
What number is it?
Number 3 right here, bud, on the screen.
5 tens and 4 ones is 54.
It is 5 tens and 4 ones is 54.
I'm smart.
You are smart. You're so smart. Thank you, Christopher. All right, let's turn the page. So we're just gonna do this set C together, and we're not gonna do D. All right, so set C says you can draw a model to show tens and ones. So this week we've been drawing lines and dots to represent our tens and our ones. And this one shows 3 lines, so we have 3 tens and 6 ones is the number 36. So using that as an example, how would we answer number 4? Just looking to see if anyone else who hasn't participated, if they want to. Marcelo?
Yeah.
How would I answer number 4? If I'm using this as my example, how would I answer number 4? How many, so let's start with making a picture before we do anything else. How many lines would I draw for tens?
7.
7, yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many dots would I make?
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many tens are there, Marcelo?
There's 7 tens and 8 ones.
And that, what number is that?
78.
78. Perfect. Thank you, Marcelo.
Welcome.
All right, so that's the lesson that we have today. Any questions about math? Yeah, Melissa?
What do we have for homework on math?
So the only homework you have today is to take your math test.
Okay.
So if you log into your online math book, under your assignments, there'll be the topic 8 math test, I believe I labeled it, or assessment, I can't remember what I labeled it, but it's topic 8. And that should be open today, tomorrow, and if you need more time, let Ms. Benitez or myself know, and we can help you with that. So you only have math homework tonight, and that's only your chapter 8 or topic 8 test. Okay? So that's what I have for your lesson today. If you have any other questions, please stay around. Kendrick, I'm going to help you get logged into Studies Weekly before we log off. Anything else that people have concerns with?